How to increment a date time by 1 day. How to increment the day of a date time. But I need pass through months and years correctly? Any ideas? Incrementing dates can be accomplished using time-delta objects. Look up time-delta objects in the Python docs, this URL.
All of the current answers are wrong in some cases, as they do not consider that time zones change their offset relative to UTC. So in some cases adding 24 hours is different from adding a calendar day. Proposed solution. The following solution works for Samoa and keeps the local time constant. Tested code. Test results.
Here is another method to add days on date using datoodle's relative delta. Output. Today, June 25, 2015 20:41:44 after a days, January 6, 2015 20:41 and 44 seconds.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.